see one of the model which is created by Manan from class 9. It's a planting machine. Here he put some blades in a road, and in our next video we will see how it works. This is our next model which is created by Preetham and Vivek from class 7th. It's a motor boat. Let's see, this is our next model which is created by Simran and Aisha from class 9th. It's a smart city. This is our next model which is water fountain and which create electricity and created by Muskan Harshita from class 9th. This is our next model which is 3D hologram and created by Mohit and Vinay. This is street light model and created by Meghna. It's a cooler which is created by 5th class student Tina and Rakshita. It's properly working, you can see. It's a room heater which is created by 6th class student Puneet, Piyush and Shahid. This is our next model. Space shuttle launching shuttle which is created by 8th class student Pulkit, Zahid, Nakul, Krishna Verma, Krishna Seni and Yuvraj and Jatan. Also a space shuttle which is created by Pratham from class 6. This is a model of rainwater harvesting and created by Gungun and Nishika. This is our next model which is created by 5th class students Priyanshi. It's a ATM machine. Here we are going to use that ATM card to take out the money. And it's a solar system which is created by Anshvi from class 5th. This model is created by Ritika and Pallavi, in which agriculture farming is shown in that particular model. These are the coolers which is created by Yash from class 5th, and that is created by Kunal from class 5th. This is also a rainwater harvesting project which is created by Simran and Rehana. Our next project is Smart City, which is created by Palak from class 6th. And next one is a gun, which is created by Teshwani, class 6th. And next model is windmill, which create electricity, created by Kanchan and Ananya. And it's properly working. Let's see. It's another model which is created by Payal, solar system, and Parul also from class 6. Next one is, in that model it is shown the process of water cycle which is created by Devanshi from class 5th. And next one is, in that particular figure we are going to show that how days and nights are going on, which is created by Sapna from class 5th. Our next model is a model of a factory which is created by Dheeraj. Our next model is solar panels, in which we can show that here some panels are used by students and it generate electricity, and a light is also available in the house which is created by Suraksha from class 8. It's a rain detector which is created by Monica from class 7th. Our next model is hydropower which generate electricity, and that is created by Nidhi and Jia from class 7th. Our next model is again rainwater harvesting which is made by Aarti from class 9th. Next model is wind turbine which is created by Abhishek from class 9th, and it's properly working, you can see. And our next model is windmill which can generate electricity, and a solar panel also added by the student which also generate electricity, Shivraj from class 9th. Next model is a smart city, which is created by Lucky from class 8th. Our last model is a smoke machine, and it is created by Akash from class 7th.